Hello viewers, are you looking for a way to make money online on Facebook? I'm gonna show you guys how to make money with Facebook here in Nigeria without creating content. Because creating content, trying to monetize this can be kind of difficult because Nigeria is still not eligible to get monetized on Facebook. Most of these content creators on Facebook, they have people in a country that is eligible, like USA and some of the European countries that is eligible, that help them apply for monetization. That's why they are making money. So you now that doesn't have someone that is in the United States that will be your Facebook admin that will help you to monetize your page, so that whenever you edit video, make video and upload, Facebook will pay you. You that doesn't have that privilege, how can you make money with Facebook? That's what I'm going to explain on this video. There are some ways that I'm making money on Facebook that I'm going to share with you guys today. That is e-commerce, making money with Facebook page. Understand? So first you have to create a Facebook page, and here is the secret. You have to have a dollar card. You have to go and create a domiciliary account, or depending, you can easily link your Naira card. If it works, that's good, but the best way is just to create a domiciliary account, have a dollar card that is linked to your account. Then create a e-commerce page. It will be like maybe a retail page where you easily been able to make sales. So let me break everything down. You are going to create a page, a normal page. You're gonna name the page in a way that it will look more presentable when trying to sell to customer. And I'm not going to advise you to start boosting the page immediately, trying to get people to like the page, because you may not get the type of audience that will like what you are selling at that initial period that you just created the page. So what you will do is that you have to go and find a product. This is what I'm doing, and this is what I'm teaching you guys. You have to find a product that is selling, hot selling product that you know that is already in the market, or you can go to an importer, or you can even search for hot selling product online. And when you see some hot selling product that is a kind of unique and new, that you know that it haven't really circulated in the market, this is where the money back is. If it is item that men's like wristwatch, like clothes, like gadgets, mainly me, I do sell women accessories and beauty items, cosmetics, hair, things that women like. That's what I'm into when trying to sell online, because most times women are the ones that have more time to be on social media, and if you have more women as your target audience, you're more likely to make more sales, because women, they like to buy things. That's what you have to understand. Women like to buy things, especially things that are beautiful. Women don't really care to know whether that thing is original or that thing gonna fade in a couple of months. All they know is that this thing is beautiful and I want it, and they will tell their boyfriend or their dad. That's how they raise money. Understand? So let's get to the business. Create a page. When you create a page, find something that is hot selling. It must not be a women thing, it must not be a women product, it must not be a beauty product, it must not be a cosmetic or beauty item for women. You can easily find some hot selling home appliances that is new, or new gadgets or one new kitchen appliance that come new. There are some YouTube channels that I subscribe to that review new gadgets every single day. It must not be many products, it can just be one. I may decide to this remote. Let me take this remote as an example now. That this remote is a brand new remote that they just make it. Understand? It just came into the market, and a lot of people haven't get to know about this remote. So, and this remote is the new version and it's the latest one, and it's hot selling. It provides quite a very good value. Maybe it has some AIs in it, artificial intelligence, or there is something special about this remote. So that's where the sales comes in. Understand? That's where the sales comes in. That's where you have to try and see who is your potential audience and who are you going to market this remote to. Understand? So you have to take some fine pictures of this remote. I'm using this remote as an example. Take fine pictures of this remote, of that product, or the pictures of the product, and also make video of the product, original video, the video that that you created by yourself. If you don't know how to get video, you can pay someone to create it for you. Videos and nice pictures of that item, and then upload it on your page. After uploading it, then you can title it. Understand? Title, put the name of the product and your contact, your number there. Then after that, you publish the post. After publishing the post, the next thing to do is to post ad. So on my next video is to post the ad. On my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to post ad, how to target, how to get your potential audience, how to get people that want a particular product that you are selling. Understand? So when people place an order now, you can easily use a dispatch driver delivery, or you can deliver by yourself, or if you have a delivering agent that will deliver some. Depending on type of the audience that you have, you can get paid on delivery or pay before delivery. Understand? So that's a very pretty way to make money online. I'm not also gonna show you guys on my next video how to post it, how to get your main audience, the main people that will buy from you, how to get them. You understand? That's what I'm going to show you guys on my next video. So like this video and keep subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, because I'm gonna show you guys how to easily get people to call you for your product. You understand? To call you and get, because how to get people that are interested in your product. So that's what I'm gonna do on my next video. So subscribe and keep tuned. This is a very good way to make money online. So I'm gonna break it down on my next video because I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.